Hello students, welcome back to the third part of lecture series on advertising. Here we are going to talk about roles and functions of advertising. So advertising, I have written this on screen. Advertising performs four main functions and roles for us. First is marketing function, second is communication function, third is economic function, and fourth and last is societal function. These are different sorts of functions that advertising essentially performs for all of us. So let's begin. The first function is marketing function. It means that advertising helps a manufacturer sell his or her product. So there is a person who manufactures something, and advertising is an activity that helps him sell his product. That is how we can say advertising performs marketing function. They say there are these four P's that are involved in the marketing function of advertising. And this concept of four P's, I'm going to explain it now. It is made up of product, price, place, and promotion. That is how we call it four P's. So if I have made, let's say if I am a manufacturer and I produce something and I want people to know that I am producing this, and of course then I want to persuade them to buy my product. So advertising is a process that first of all informs people about the existence of a product, that there is this product that exists in the market for you and you should come buy it. So that is how the first P of product actually talks about the information about the existence of product. Then there is second P. People of course are interested in knowing what is the price of the product. Third is place. From where can people buy the product? Where can they get it? That's the place, that's the idea of place. So first idea of product, to repeat, first idea of product is related to the existence of product, wherein a person is informing its potential consumers about the existence of a particular product. Second thing is related to price. You are letting people know what is the price of the available product. Third is place. You are letting people know where the product can be found. And third and last is promotion. Ultimately, the whole process allows people the whole process allows the manufacturer sell his product. That is how we say that advertising performs the marketing function. It actually boosts the process of sale for a manufacturer. Second function we have here is communication function. It is at the customer's end. The first function that we discussed here, marketing function, it was from the manufacturer's end. Communication function is from the audience end. Let me explain it with the help of an example. So let's say I am interested in buying a cellular service for my phone, for my cell phone, and there are many cellular services available. How can I know which service is the best? How can I know which service can suit me the best according to my needs and wants? Let's say I am interested in a cellular service that offers uh, uh, like that offers um, maximum minutes for talking, maximum SMS messages, and maximum internet as well. So what sort of service company is there that can provide this? Uh, that is how advertising plays the communication function. Like if I see an advertisement, I can see, okay, these are different companies that are offering services, and this company seems better than this. What I'm trying to say is that advertising here actually performs communication function for the audience to let them know that these particular services are available for you to take advantage of. Well, the third function here is economic function. Uh, it is somehow related to marketing function, but like I said, marketing function, we essentially discuss it uh, from the consumers, from the manufacturer's point of view. Economic function actually is related to providing valuable information to consumers about the price, about different varieties that are available, and that is how the overall process speeds up the economic development. That is how we can say the advertising plays the economic role, economic function in this society. Let's talk about the third and last function, which is societal role. First of all, advertising tells us about improved products that are available uh, for us in the market. Let's say if there is a person who uses full fat milk, but through an advertisement he comes to know that there is a company that is also making low fat milk, and maybe that person is diet conscious. In that way, now he has this information through advertisement about the availability of a product that suits him. So advertising is a process that informs you about the improved products that are available in market. Similarly, advertising also provides you a channel or an outlet for doing comparisons. We all do comparisons. We see advertisements of different products and we keep making comparisons, which one seems better. That is how we can say that this is a kind of societal function that advertising is playing in our lives. But I must say that advertising is a process that usually flourishes in society that has like some level of economic abundance, which is not the case, unfortunately, in Pakistan. So with that, our lecture series on advertising has ended. I hope you have found it to be easy and interesting. Please keep reading the notes and please do write me an email if you find anything difficult. Thank you.